to our 1.5 litre collapsible kettles. You can see here that these are available in 5 vibrant colours. We have the red, the blue, the black, the green and the yellow just here. One thing I want to highlight to you is the fact that these are, of course, stainless steel around the bottom. They're then silicon in the middle here, and we have a silicon lid and a stainless steel but silicon covered handle on the side here. One very important point about this kettle is, of course, that with it being stainless steel on the underside and with it being heat resistant silicon in the middle, is that they're absolutely fine to use on a stove, whether it is a gas stove or a fuel stove. It's no problem at all. That is exactly what they're designed for. Of course, with them being from our collapsible collection, you will also find that when you're not using them or when you're travelling, they're not going to take up much space at all, as you can just see here, and they're certainly really easy just to pop back into position for when you do want to use them. So there you go, our range of vibrant coloured 1.5 litre collapsible stainless steel kettles. Thanks very much for watching.